Welcome to How to Teach Kids Break Apart Subtraction of Two-Digit Numbers. Different strategies, same answer. 35 minus 17 equals 18. The first strategy is regrouping, when you borrow from the tens to give to the ones. The second strategy is break apart subtraction, when you subtract one number in parts from the larger number. Many of us are familiar with the first strategy and now need to teach the second strategy to kids. So here are the 5 steps to teach kids break apart subtraction. Step 1. Start with the largest number. In this equation, 35 minus 17 equals 35 is the largest number. Step 2. Break apart 17 into tens and ones. That gives us 1 10 and 7 ones. Step 3. Break apart the 7 ones. Since 35 has 5 ones, break the first part of 7 into 5 ones. The second part becomes 2 ones. Step 5. Start at 35, the largest number on the number line, then subtract 10, next 5, and lastly 2. Start at the 35 and then subtract 10, which brings us to 25. Continue from the 25 and subtract 5, and that brings you to the number 20. From the 20, subtract 2, and that gives you 18. So, 35 minus 17 equals 18. Quickly review the 5 steps with kids so they are prepared to work on break apart subtraction problems. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, and Step 5. Now have kids fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. This is a completed example, and as you see, looking at the number line, 25 minus 10 equals 15, minus 5 equals 10, minus 4 equals 6. And in the second problem, 27 minus 10 equals 17, minus 7 equals 10, minus 2 equals 8. On this practice page, complete the first problem with kids and then have them fill in the blanks with the correct numbers for the remaining problems. Begin by reviewing the subtraction equation. 56 minus 19 equals. Break apart 19 into 1 10 and 9 ones. Since 56 ends in 6 ones, begin by breaking the 9 first with a 6 and then 3 ones. Now show that the 110 was subtracted from 56, leaving 46. Now show that the 6 was taken from the first part of 9, 6 ones, so 46 minus 6 ones equals 40. Now show that 3 was taken from the second part of 9, and 40 minus 3 is 37. giving us the equation 56 minus 19 equals 37. And this is the completed example of all 4 problems. On this practice page, have kids fill in the correct number in the boxes on the number line for each problem. As with the last practice page, do the first problem with kids. Begin by saying 34 minus 17 equals. Remind kids that the first number on the number line is the largest number, which is 34. And since we are subtracting, we're moving to the left, backwards. So we have the 17 broken into 110 and 7 ones. So we're going to begin by subtracting 10, the 110, from 34, and we have 24. The 7 ones are broken into 2 parts, 4 ones and 3 ones. So next we subtract 4 ones from 24, giving us 20. Next we subtract the second part of the ones, the 3 ones, from 20, and we have 17. And now our equation is completed. 34 minus 17 equals 17. And this is the completed example. Number 1, 34 minus 17 equals 17. Number 2, 30 minus 25 equals 5. Number 3, 52 minus 27 equals 25. And number 4, 47 minus 27 equals 20. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link for all the teaching templates in the description section.